Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you one of our favorite CNC mills. This is a vertical CNC milling machine. It's a 2-axis milling machine, meaning that you have 2 axes on your X and your Y. So when you hear that, you're going to see these big giant servos. That's what's going to be powering your machine here, and you have it on your X and your Y. On your Z feed, it's going to be a manual down feed, or of course the standard power Bridgeport style feed system that comes with the milling machine. Now if you wanted to add a 3rd axis, that's where you'd program your depth, and it can automatically come up and down, and you'd see a big head on here as well. As opposed to something just a basic machine, something like this. Right now we're in the middle of our repair, but you can see just a basic machine, no feeds. This is as manual as it gets on a machine. You can go to something right here, you'll see it has a power feed. This is the older system where you'd set up your power feed. You can see again, we're doing a lot of work on these machines to make sure all the bearings, bushings, belts, everything's working really well on these machines. Back to this guy, the Southwestern Trak K3 is a CNC machine, so you'll have your tables going to move around. You can set it, make pockets or drill certain spots that you need to, and it'll set every time. You're going to be able to put your Z down. As soon as that goes down, you'll tell it to go to the next spot, and it'll automatically go to your next spot. Really nice. Also, if you wanted to, you can use this in a manual mode, put it in manual mode, and still be able to use it. You can see the digital readout right here. Shows you where you're at, makes it just a standard mill. So if you need to just jump on here and make a quick part, that makes it really easy too. It does have a teach system here that allows you to go in there and teach what you're going to be doing, makes it really easy for programming. We can just show you if you want to jog everything. Quick and easy jog, always leave those in. That's just showing you how the feed system would work when you have your servos in and your programming all set up. Again, if you wanted to use the Z, you'd set up your Z. Now to use the standard head, just that's how you'd set that up. Put your down feed in. You've got your depth stop right there. As soon as it hits that stop, a little bit of run on here, we'll let you see that run down. You can see your readout on here coming down on your Z feed. We're about 1/4 of an inch. You'll see right here it's about to hit that stop. And you're back to going to your next movement for your CNC table. Last but not least, you've got a power drawbar on here, which is this part right here. If you don't have that, you'd have a regular drawbar, which would be up here, and you're gonna have to turn your parts to go ahead and put your call in. You turn that bar. On this guy, it's really nice and easy. You've got an in and out system. Put your piece in, pull it in, and you're set and ready to go. Pop it back out. Really easy to make your changes, set up your programming on this machine, and get going. Now, if this is the type of machine you're looking for, if you're looking for something that's more of a manual type machine like these other ones, if you're looking for a lathe, mill, grinder, anything you want to buy, sell, or trade industrial, let us know how we can help. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing options, as well as all this information at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.